Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys a layered look with the old wig install. Now if y'all follow me on TikTok, then y'all know I put a old wig on somebody and I had a lot of people in the comments asking how I do it, so I'm kind of gonna show y'all here. So first things first, you braid it as usual, sit the edges back, and then go ahead and put your ball cap on. Now listen, when y'all putting these ball caps on, I try not to use glue. And the reason for it is you're trying to basically protect the hair with the ball cap from the glue and give it that scalp-like appearance at the same time. But some of y'all be defeating the purpose, but I be seeing some of y'all who don't put the glue directly on the edges and put it in front of them. So when you cut it, make sure you cut it in front of their hairline also. Don't cut it right at their hairline or make their hair peek through, none of that. Because again, the purpose is to protect your client's edges. So I also sew the ball cap down in the bike or whatever, as y'all can kind of see the thread, and that's why I still hold on right there. And when it's time to do a touch up or like take it out, all you gotta do is cut it off and it'll be good. This is level 12 in the Ruby Kisses foundation. This is what I usually use on my lace and on my ball caps or whatever, and I use a lighter shade on her. When you're installing that's the wig, y'all. It's one of my old wigs or whatever. But when you're installing a used wig, before you glue anything down, make sure your ball cap is cut enough and place it on your head so you can see what you need to do. If you need to cut off anything extra, pluck some more, or any of that. I go down with my tape first because y'all know, gotta protect the girl's edges. So I put my tape down first, and then I use 3 to 4 layers of Bowl Hold Active. Well, that's the glue I was using in this video. I like switch it up from time to time. I get my tape from the hair store. Y'all always ask me. I get it from the hair store, and I put it on TikTok of what tape I got. I'm going to show y'all if I have to again. But anyway, after you do that, you want to make sure it turns clear before you lay it down. And I always tell everybody the first layer don't count, because that's just helping me melt my ball cap some more. If you need a more detailed tutorial, it's on TikTok. If you have a used wig and you have a bald spot in it, you need to just go ahead, or if you're the front part of the lace is bald, let me put it that way, you need to put the piece that you're going to actually leave on there and line it up with the glue, and then just cut off the rest, as you can kind of see me doing right here. So you see you see what I'm cutting off? I left all of that off and only put the wig exactly where I was going to make the new hairline at. You could go back through and pluck it. You don't have to or whatever. But I'm extra sometimes. Sometimes I'm lazy. So after you do all of that, you want to go through and make sure everything is stuck down. If it's not, you want to put the extra glue up on there. And I use a small actual paintbrush. This is a real paintbrush. And go and put down the extra glue. So I'm just pushing everything out the way, because when you're using a used wig, it's easy for hair to get laid down in the glue or anything like that. And before I wrap down the lace, I usually part it out and pull out the baby hair so it can be laid in the direction that I'm already finna have it to go in. And she's getting a bust down with some layers. Some of the videos got cut out, but I gave y'all as much as I can because my phone was running low on storage and I didn't realize it was stopping my videos while I was styling.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love. everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is mine.
So honestly, I don't know where the video went of me cutting out layers. My phone probably just stopped recording because it was out of storage. But anyway, this is how it looked after I went through and straightened it and added the layers to it or whatever. And then this is how it looked once I pulled off that band. And like, y'all see that belt? Like, I'm really getting raw at this hair stuff. Give me like another year or so, then I'm really gonna be a beast. But so far, I'm really getting raw at it. But the other video of me doing the baby hairs, it didn't record either. But I'm just letting y'all see what I got, and then I'm gonna post the end result. I'm gonna post the end result of her hair at the end of this video. But I do hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all like, share, subscribe. Comment down below what y'all want to see. And make sure y'all follow me on TikTok too at Hairbytoudie and call me Tootie and same thing on Instagram.
Love is on one in a million. It goes on.